Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm Daniel Studios Mania, and today we're gonna playing this cool, really awesome Roblox game. I forgot what is this, but let's do like some funnier noises that I made, like all the time. So let's do it. So I can see the light is over the distance. So, yo, it's a no way. The switch. I'm gonna hijack the train. Yeah. Oh no. Let's go. Yo! 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 Oh no! We're good? That's enough day for the dash too. Let's do more hijack the switches. Okay, I see another train coming. Yo, is that? Alright, I'm gonna do the other switch. No way they don't have another switch. Bruh. Looks like I have to do the other switch. Let's keep doing. Oh no. Yo. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no, there's another train. Oh no, there's another train. Oh wait. Wait a minute. Let me get in a good view. Oh no! This is my first time I've seen a train. House is still home. Yo! Nah. 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 Bonk. Nah. No. Uh-oh. For some reason, it doesn't feel all the bottom. What was that again? Alright, so... why is that light red? Well, that's the sun. That That would be cool if I do the other switch. That would could make it like a deja vu. Yoy. The railroad crossing is still on. Whoa. Wait, was there an accident? I'm not sure what was that. Uh-oh. 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 Out of the way. Move your fat ass out of the way, boy. I can't. I'm literally too small. Gonna probably squeeze. There we go. Good grief. See you guys.